welcome back. So today I'm here with you talking about some cushion covers. And I know that for those of you that sew, sometimes cushions can be a little intimidating if you haven't done them before. And it's not uncommon to get cushion covers from the store or to buy a cushion and then have something go wrong with it. And if you haven't done a cushion before, maybe you go, well, how do I fix that? And how do we problem solve? So this one is actually from a client who brought in a dog bed. And I want you to see is, so here's the zipper. And this is about the size of the cushion. And the zipper only goes from here to here. And it does not wrap around the sides. And so then when the client was trying to wash the dog bed and take it in and out, it actually split on the boxing. So the zipper ended here and then the boxing just tore. Now, at first, she thought that this was a zipper problem, that it was something where, oh, my zipper is broken. Now, granted, the zipper stopper came out and the slide came off. But after looking at it, I had to tell her, you know, it's not really the zipper that's broken. That's not where the problem started. And so in order to move forward with the project, you kind of want to know, well, how did the problem start? What is the actual problem? Because yes, we could diagnose that, okay, so there's no slide on the zipper, but if you don't want the problem to happen again, what are you going to do about it? So first I was able to find a new slide. I had some that would fit this, but that's actually not going to solve this problem, because if this here part of the boxing ripped from it, the cushion being too tight to put through that zipper hole that was made, then really what I should be doing is extending the length of the zipper, which would mean, you know, taking out this panel and going around the corner. And so I wanted to show you, here's a cushion that I recently did. And so typically for cushions, I like to start and go around. So you're gonna turn the corners all the way over to here. And that just means that when you're going to fill the zipper, when you're going to, you know, put the cushion into the cushion cover, there's gonna be less tension on that zipper area. So it's less likely to tear like this dog bed. So I'm just gonna go through and just show you a little bit about how I do that. So I'm gonna actually seam rip out this whole area and then make a new zipper placket. So I'm gonna have to use a new zipper and reinsert that. Here I am with the cushion cover, and I actually started taking out the one side, but I just wanted to show you what I was using. So first I tried to use this tool, which is like a razor at the end, but what I actually found is that the straight razor is easier. It just goes faster and it's all very durable. So you're just pushing it against those seams. And of course, try not to nick the fabric, trying to really get the thread, because if you do nick this fabric, it could pull at that a little bit. So just continuing to pull that off. You're just going to go around. It's harder to do in the camera because it's a little distance from me. Go around past where the tear is, so over to around here. And so then this is going to allow us to put in the new placket. And these tags are just kind of a nuisance to me, and so I want to get them out of there. Because when you take the zipper placket off. For this particular project, the piping did not have its own separate stitch, so that's also coming apart. So we just need to make sure to line that back up again. Just get all your loose threads out of here so that when we do go to make a new seam, those are not in our way. So I have gone ahead and made a zipper placket and attached it. So now I'm going to go ahead and pin it in place along here, and I marked my chalk line, which is going to go along the edge of the cording, and that determines the width of the cushion placket, or the zipper placket, which is the same width as the boxing. So here I have the zipper cover finished with the new zipper placket inserted, and as you can see, it's going to go all the way around the corner. So if you're having trouble with not having a big enough zipper placket when you're putting in your cushions, I hope that this helps you just figure out a way to lengthen that. I mean, actually, you're going to have to replace the whole, the whole zipper strip, but it is a good alternative rather than having to make a whole new cushion. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and you can follow along. Head over to my website to find some other courses that I offer and some PDF tutorials.